In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and edit slide numbers in Google Slides. Slide numbers can be incredibly helpful for both presenters and audiences, as they provide a quick reference point throughout your presentation. Whether you're creating a slideshow for a project, a work presentation, or just sharing some creative ideas, knowing how to manage slide numbers effectively is a valuable skill. First, open your web browser and navigate to Google Slides. You can search for it on Google or type in the URL directly if you're familiar with it. Once you're there, sign in to your Google account if you haven't already. Signing in ensures that all your work is saved automatically and can be accessed from any device. Once you're on the Google Slides homepage, you can start a new presentation by clicking on Blank Presentation, or select one of the templates that Google provides, depending on the style and theme you have in mind. With your presentation open, it's time to add slide numbers. Go to the top menu and click on Insert. The Insert menu is where you can add all sorts of elements to your slides, like images, videos, charts, and more, but today we're focusing on slide numbers. Click on Slide Numbers, and a dialog box will appear with a few options. You can choose to apply slide numbers to all slides or selectively skip title slides to maintain a cleaner look. Make sure to consider your presentation's layout before making a choice. Once you've made your selection, confirm it, and the slide numbers will appear on your slides. You can preview them in the slide pane to ensure everything looks right. If you later want to remove or adjust the numbers, just go back to the slide numbers section in the Insert menu and make the changes you need. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully added slide numbers to your Google Slides presentation. Numbered slides not only add a professional touch, but also help keep both you and your audience on track throughout your presentation. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.